Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to combine two separate PDF files together into one single file. It's quick, it's easy, you won't have to download any software to your computer, and it's completely free. I have these two PDF files that I'm going to use to demonstrate how to do this. Here's the first one, and here's the second one. We're going to go to this website, pdftool.org. And from here, you're going to click on PDF merging, and then you will drag and drop the files you want to merge here. And once you're done with that, you click on Merge PDF, which will merge the two files together, and then download them to your computer. And I'm going to open the file now. And here you can see we have one PDF file containing both of the PDF files combined into a single file. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.